Ladies and gentlemen, today, I would like to discuss the significance of YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization, in the realm of digital content creation. In an increasingly crowded online space, understanding how to optimize your videos for search is crucial for success on the world's largest video sharing platform. YouTube SEO involves implementing strategies to improve the visibility and discoverability of your videos in search results. By conducting thorough keyword research and strategically incorporating relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you enhance the chances of your content being found by the right audience. Moreover, creating high-quality and engaging videos is paramount. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes videos that captivate viewers and keep them engaged. By delivering valuable and compelling content, you not only increase the likelihood of viewers watching your videos in full but also encourage them to like, comment, and share. These engagement signals contribute to better search rankings and increased visibility. Optimizing video metadata, such as descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, is another crucial aspect of YouTube SEO. By writing concise and keyword-rich descriptions, using relevant tags, and selecting visually appealing thumbnails, you make it easier for the algorithm to understand and rank your videos appropriately. In conclusion, YouTube SEO is an essential skill for content creators and digital marketers alike. By implementing effective strategies, such as keyword optimization, creating engaging content, and optimizing video metadata, you can improve your search rankings, increase visibility, and ultimately grow your audience on the platform. Thank you.